Have you ever avoided betting on a draw because it feels impossible to predict? You are definitely not alone. In fact, many bettors believe predicting a draw is even harder than predicting the correct score of a game. And honestly, I used to think the same way. But after years of analyzing football matches, studying betting patterns, and I discovered that draw results are not as random as most people think it is. While nobody can predict draws with 100% accuracy, there is specific pattern that greatly increase your chances of identifying matches likely to end level. In today's video, I'm going to share 5 powerful factors that help me spot potential draw matches before the match even kicks off. Make sure you watch until the end because the last strategy is one of the strongest indicators of draw results. So let's get started. The first point you have to pay attention to when trying to predict a draw in football game is to pay attention to matches between equal mid-table teams. The first situation where a draw becomes highly likely is when two evenly matched mid-table teams face each other. When analyzing these games, don't just look at the team names. Instead, check their current league positions, their last 5 matches, goals scored, and goals conceded. If both struggle to score goals and also have solid defensive records, the chances of draw increases significantly. This strategy works particularly in leagues like the Premier League. You know the high intensity games in the Premier League and how tight it is. The La Liga, this and the Serie A, because the Serie A is known as a highly defensive league. Mid-table teams often lack the quality needed to dominate one another, making a stalemate a very common outcome. The second point you need to pay attention to is low-scoring teams in poor form. The second factor is identifying matches where goals are expected to be scarce. During your analysis, if you notice that neither team creates many chances, both teams struggle to score recent matches, have been low scoring in their recent games, then a draw should be immediately what comes to your mind. Another important sign is poor recent form. If both teams have lost their last 5 matches, many bettors rush to choose a winner, thinking that they will catch up in the next game. But think about it logically. If both teams are struggling, what makes you believe one of them will suddenly dominate the other? In many cases, two out of form teams simply cancel each other out, resulting in a draw. The third point you have to pay attention to is teams close together in the league table, like the 10th and 11th position or 12th and 13th position. The third strategy involves league position. When two teams are separated by only a few points in the standings, they often produce very competitive matches. Why? Because their overall quality levels are similar. Even if both teams score goals regularly, their strengths and weaknesses tend to balance each other out. So, as a result, attacks get neutralized, defenses are tested equally. Neither side gains a significant advantage. These are exactly the types of fixtures where a draw becomes a realistic possibility. So, whenever you see teams sitting close together in the table, pay extra attention, especially if their points are equally tight. The fourth point you need to check out when trying to predict a draw is teams with perfectly balanced matchups. What does this mean? This is one of the most overlooked indicators in draw betting. Sometimes you will analyze a match and notice that both teams have similar form, both teams score and concede at similar rates. The bookmaker odds are very, very close. In other words, you genuinely can't identify a clear favorite. Many bettors make the mistake of forcing a winner in this situation by going for any team to win. But when everything points towards balance, the draw market deserves serious consideration. In fact, many matches that appear too close to call end up finishing level because neither team can establish control over the other. So if you are not comfortable betting on straight draw, this is also an excellent scenario for a double chance strategy for any team you choose. I would prefer going for a home team, for the team with home advantage. The fifth point is matches between two defensive teams. Yeah, this is arguably the strongest draw indicator in today's list. When two defensive mid-paced teams face each other, especially mid-table sides again for that matter, the game often becomes extremely cautious. These teams prioritize defensive organization, maintaining shape of their play, and avoiding any mistakes rather than attacking aggressively. So as a result, you see frequently few goal scoring opportunities created, long periods of possession in the midfield. Even if one team manages to score first, the other side may push forward just enough to find an equalizer before returning to a defensive setup. Unless there is a red card, a penalty, or some unexpected events that destabilizes the game, these matches often drift towards a draw, and this is why games involving two defensive teams should always be on your draw predictions watch list. And for highly defensive teams, I would advise you focus on the Serie A league because teams in the Serie A are very, very defensive. They play rare are the times they play attacking football. So there you have it. The 5 powerful ways to identify potential draw matches are equal mid-table teams. First point, low-scoring teams in poor form. Second point, teams close together in the league table standings. And perfectly balanced matchups. The last but not the least point is looking for two defensive teams facing each other. Remember, no betting strategy guarantees 100% success, but understanding these patterns can significantly improve your decision making and can help you identifying value opportunities that many bettors overlook. The more matches you analyze using these principles, the easier it becomes to spot likely draw outcomes. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel for more football betting strategies, match analysis, and winning tips. Also, let me know in the comments which of these draw prediction strategies do you use the most and have they worked for you? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.